Hi everyone, I'm back with another share here. Well, I didn't make anything. It was more that I got more packages in the mail here and wanted to share with you what I got. So, Happy Meal first. I did get a package from my crafty friend, and I have not peeked yet, so let's pull it out and see what she sent me. This is from Kat, and she does post on Instagram. She has some lovely makes. Look at this tag. I think I saw what it was already, because if it's the same thing. I watched Anna's video this morning. Hi, Anna. And Anna had one similar to this, but hers, I think it was yellow. But this one's purple. Happy Easter. I loved this tag that she made too. And the bunny is embossed. That's why it's so shiny. Cute. And she's wrapped it in this rainbow tissue paper and has some green, I love this seam binding. So let's see. I'm going to slip this off the end. And if it's what I think it is, when I saw Anna's video this morning, I gasped, actually. When she showed it, I was like, oh, that is so cute. So I think it's the same thing. Which, of course, she's so talented. Kat, thank you for sending me this, whatever it happens to be. I do appreciate it. Oh, yes. So here it is. It's a carrot. And it is so cute. So Kat does a lot of sewing projects. And so she sent me one of her stuffed carrots. And this, I think this is felt that she's sewn. And then there's a little bunny rabbit in the pocket here that Kat has drawn and cut out. Oh gosh, so penny. And she's just stuck down in there. So cute. Oh my gosh, lady. You're so talented. And so she's got like some green ribbon here and then some sheer ribbon, and you can hang this up. And I do have the same stuffed bunny that she made Anna last year and sent to her. I actually have it out. Hold on one second. So this is how I have it sitting out. It's sitting in this little colander that I got from Target a couple years back, I think, from the dollar spot. It's a $5 ceramic colander, and it is dishwasher safe. But I got the rabbit that she sent to me. It's so cute. So I'm gonna actually put this together in this bowl. I usually this bowl is always out, and I usually stick my studio keys in here. You can see some labels in there. I've got to label some of my stamp stuff. Oh yeah, I printed it all out and then never labeled the containers. So I'm just gonna put them all together, Kat. They're so cute. And I still have the Santa out too, because I haven't put it away yet. It's in the kitchen, sitting on a pedestal. Anyway, so those are the two things that Kat has made for me for Easter. Well, she's also sent me other stuff, but they're hanging around the room. So anyway, thank you, Kat, for the lovely stuffed goodies. And I'm going to put them out, sit them out for at least a little bit while they stay in my room. What else did I get? I got my design team package from Adornit in the mail today as well, which I'm glad that came. I'll hopefully get to doing this sometime soon. Still cleaning my room, but I think today's the last day for it. I really do. So let me show you. I got paper and I got 3 sets of stamps. So this is, if you are in the recipe club, homemade bread was supposed to be for April. Is it March? I think it's March. Yeah, I think it's March. So this is a recipe for homemade bread. And it looks like 1/4 cup of sugar, 3/4 cup boiling water, 1 egg, 2 cups of quick oats, 3 tablespoons of butter. I never read them, but I was just wondering to see if I had all of the ingredients. I think I do. Maybe you can try and make that. So, homemade bread. I hope you can see it. This is a new one. There is no vintage recipe stamp for this in red rubber. So, and it's got like this little corner with a spoon, some flowers, which are the same as in here, and then the hearts. And then the add-on stamp is this one that has some measuring spoons, a wooden spoon, and then here's another wooden spoon that's type of like a little corner for a card. That would be so cute. And then sentiment, some little wheat thingies, a heart, and then there's a loaf of bread. And there's a third stamp, which I was not expecting at all, because usually it's just 2. This is another stamp, and maybe this is part of a stamp drop they're going to do. We go together like bread and butter. That's really cute. It's a slice of bread with a knife and a piece of butter. A pat of butter, I guess you could call it. Some wheat. Sentiments here, fresh from the oven. Any way you slice it, you're delightful. From the kitchen of, made with love, baked with love. There's a round oval stamp here, and then there's a heart. And those are 2 separate stamps, by the way. And then there's another slice of bread here that says somebody loves you. And then 2 pieces of wheat. And then there's another thing of wheat right here. That's really cool. I like that. And if you guys can't see this, I'm sorry. Maybe this sheet would be better. Is that better? Maybe that's a little bit better to see the stamps. So there's that one. There's this one. And that was a 6x8, that first one. This is a 4x6. And then this one is a 4x6. That's quite the recipe. Ooh, can't wait to do that. All right, so here's the paper. That's part of the kit if you, or the club, if you actually have the paper add-on. I've already flipped the pages over so you can see the other sides of everything. So there's this green gingham, some brown like burlap, distressed, the wooden spoons. I like that one. Polka dots. This one has a mixer and a lot of other different things in there. I'm just thinking about this little... Yeah, that's it. Actually in one of the stamp sets. This one right here is this image right here. And then you've got a plaid. And this is like slices and loaves, like a toss pattern. And then this one here is the stripes of all the different patterns. So that's the paper add-on. And then one other thing that I received, I ordered this stamp from eBay. I thought this would be fun to make some cards. And this is a stamp passion stamp. It's called Check a Date. And it's from Mark Towner from 1999. So there's that. And oh, thank you again, Kat. This was actually stamped on the outside of my package. She had it wrapped in brown paper. And I know this is a Darcy stamp. So it's a little bunny holding a carrot. So I cut it out when I was opening the box. So just wanted to say thank you again, Kat, for the little goodies, for always thinking of me. You're so sweet. And I do appreciate you guys watching and comments as well on my videos. So I'm going to hopefully get some crafting in tomorrow because I want to finish up what I'm doing today with my room because I'm almost there, I think. And thanks for watching, guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye.